most of it. And then this has to preheat. So you have to put it down because it's really hot. Now we wait for 4 minutes. There. So start timer for 4 minutes. Now we wait. See, it says power, and so we have to wait till the ready light comes on. Take them over here. So you see, we put them on the sticks. And then you can decorate them if you want, but you don't have to. And with other stuff, you can do a lot of stuff with that cake pop maker. You can make pancakes. It's really cool. But I'm not gonna do that today because I made these. And yeah, it came with these sticks. So yeah, it's pretty handy, and it came with that. So maybe you guys should go online and buy it if you want to.